Want to know how to grow your business on Twitter? Stick around, I'm going to help you out. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dan from MillennialMotivator.ca, helping you learn how to create, engage, and inspire. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there, the little bell next to it. You'll get notified when I go live next. We are getting back to doing videos. I'm excited for the 312 project coming up in 2019. We're going to be putting out 6 videos a week on this channel. Just getting warmed up back into the flow of things here at the end of December. But today we are talking about how to use Twitter effectively to grow your business. Now, whether that is a YouTube channel like this or you've got an actual brick and mortar, a product, service, business, I'm going to teach you how to use Twitter more effectively. 3 simple things you guys can do in order to really nail that engagement. So let's go. Number 1, guys, consistency, consistency, consistency. If you want to get a lot out of a network, it doesn't matter what the network is, whether it's Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, you have to be consistently using the network. That does not mean just flooding the network with your own stuff. It means engaging with conversations in your niche. I cannot say this enough, guys. It's a really simple concept. Find people that are influencers in your niche and speak into the conversations and speak to their network with your product, service, knowledge. It's such an easy way to go. You'll pick up massive influence, you'll grow your network, and you'll grow exposure in a real quick way if you are consistently using the network. What's next? Number two, guys, it's a small hack that you can use for all of you that have ever been to Twitter before. Just if you're looking at the screen, you go up over to this section here, you'll see a little picture of yourself. Click on that. You'll see Twitter ads. Go on in. You'll see up on the top bar, up over here, you'll see cards. Click on cards. Creating cards that link back to your website, product, YouTube video. All of those opportunities are a great way for you to put an image or a clickable link to your site, service, product and allow people to have that, but at the same time also not waste your character posts. You can save character posts on Twitter and actually create better levels of engagement using the Twitter cards as tweets. It's a small tweak, guys, but it's a huge way to get some great engagement on your posts. Last but not least, where do we go from here? Last but not least, guys, the 1-a-day rule. Make sure, since you're consistently engaging on the network, that at least once a day you are putting links out to your content, your website, your product, or service. If you aren't creating new content on the daily, that's not a problem. Make sure you backlink, though, every day to a piece of content or to your site, either from yesterday, the day before, the week before. It doesn't matter. Make sure you're consistently linking at least once a day to your own product, service, offering, video, whatever it is. 1 a day, okay? So, in review, you want to succeed on Twitter. It's quick, it's fast, it's easy, guys. This is how you do it. Be consistent on the network, engage frequently. Number 2 is making sure you're using Twitter cards to save on that tweet space and get better levels of engagement through click-throughs. Last but not least, guys, it's making sure that you have a point of posting your content, feedback to your stuff at least once a day. Make sure that's all there. You got those 3 tools off and going. You are set for success. Good luck, guys. Let me know what you are going to use down below, and if you have any tips or tricks that you would recommend for people to use on Twitter, feel free to share. Looking forward to getting back at this in the new year, guys. Take it easy.